Just 13 minutes ago, a 4.3 magnitude earthquake struck near Bucaramanga, Santander, Colombia. The tremor was recorded late at night on Wednesday, February 21, 2024, at 11:05 p.m. local time, at an intermediate to considerable depth of 154 kilometers below the surface. The event was filed by the Colombian Geological Service, SGC, the first seismological agency to report it. Our monitoring service identified a second report from the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFC, which listed the quake at magnitude 4.7. A third agency, the international Ayiti-Séismes project to detect quakes in the wider Haiti region, reported the same quake at magnitude 4.9.